Welcome back, my dear students, for our next chemistry class. Last class we have discussed about classification of organic nitro compounds, isomerism exhibited in organic nitro compounds, and nomenclature of organic nitro compounds we have discussed. Now today's class we are going to discuss about preparation of organic nitro compounds. That is preparation of nitroalkanes and nitroarenes, both aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds preparation we are going to discuss. Okay. Now preparation of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes nothing but aliphatic nitro compounds. First method of preparation is nothing but from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. What is alkyl halide? General formula will come. We have discussed already previous lesson and all. R bond X. So here I have taken for alkyl halide example. What is that? Bromoethane. Bromoethane, or otherwise what we can say, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. This ethyl bromide is react with ethanolic potassium nitrite. Ethanolic potassium nitrite. It will give nitroethane as the product by the removal of potassium bromide. Understood? First method of preparation from alkyl halides. Nothing but ethyl bromide we are taking example, that will be react with what? Ethanolic potassium nitrite. It will give nitroethane as the product by the removal of potassium bromide. It is an example for SN2 reaction. Nothing but what? SN2 reaction means nucleophilic substitution by molecular reaction. It follows. By using this method, it is not possible to prepare nitrobenzene. That is nothing but what? Aromatic nitro compounds. By using this method, not possible to prepare because bromide ion is directly attached to the benzene ring. So, it does not cleave easily. It does not cleave easily. So, the next method of preparation is nothing but vapor phase nitration of alkane. Vapor phase nitration of alkane. Alkane will undergo. Alkane will be in the vapor phase gaseous state. So methane will undergo nitration. What is the meaning for nitration? Addition of nitric acid at 673 Kelvin. Understood? Under red hot tube, it will react with which will react with? Methane will react with. Alkane will react with. Example for alkane, methane will react with nitric acid. For the reaction purpose, I have written what is this methane like this way, CH3 bond H. At the same time, nitric acid also I have written OH minus and NO2 plus. So it will be react under nothing but 673 Kelvin temperature. What will happen? H and OH will be removed as a water molecule and CH3 bond NO2 nitromethane you will get as the product. So second method of preparation is nothing but vapor phase nitration of alkane. Next one, under the same method, ethane will undergo nitration at 673 Kelvin. What will happen? This will give nothing but carbon-carbon bond will be cleaved and it will give both the product nothing but 73% of nitroethane and 27% of nitromethane will be getting as the product. Ethane will undergo same method. Ethane will undergo nitration under same way 673 Kelvin. This C bond C in alkane will be cleaved and it will give the two products nothing but mixture of nitroethane and nitromethane. Nitroethane 73% of yield and nitromethane 27%. Okay. The third method of preparation of nitroalkane is from alpha halocarboxylic acid. From alpha halocarboxylic acid. What is alpha halo? Nearest to functional group carbon is called as an alpha carbon. Alpha carbon can have a halo group. Alpha carbon can have halo group. We can say alpha halo. Carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid we are taking. So here the carboxylic acid is the functional group. So carboxylic acid nearest to carbon have what? Halo, that is nothing but chloro. So it is an example for alpha halocarboxylic acid. Nothing but name of this compound is alpha chloroacetic acid. This alpha chloroacetic acid react with aqueous sodium nitrite. Aqueous solution of sodium nitrite, it will be react means what will happen? This CO2 will be removed, that is COO will be removed as a CO2. Understood? And Na and Cl will be removed as NaCl, and then balance is what? Nothing but NO2 is there and CH3, CH2 here and H. So totally it will be removed as CH3 bond NO2, nothing but nitromethane, nothing but nitromethane. Understood? Okay. Next one, sorry, here will come NaCl, not H2O. Listen, alpha chloroacetic acid react with sodium nitrite. Understood? Okay, aqueous solution of sodium nitrite. CO2 will be removed, Na and Cl will be removed as an NaCl, and what will be the remaining? CH2, and here H will be there. So this H will come and attach to the CH2, and what will happen? This NO2, it will be combined and it will give what? CH3 bond NO2, nitromethane as the product. Next one, fourth method of preparation of nitroalkane is oxidation of tertiary alkyl amines. Oxidation of tertiary alkyl amines. I have taken tertiary alkyl amine, nothing but tertiary butyl amine. Okay, carbon, functional group carbon can have can attach to the three another carbon. So this carbon is what? Tertiary carbon. So amino group is attached to tertiary carbon. So it is an example for tertiary alkyl amine. Name of this compound tertiary butyl amine will undergo oxidation in the presence of what? Oxidizing agent KMnO4 potassium permanganate. So now what will happen? Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So from NH2 hydrogen will be removed, at the same time oxygen will be added, and it will give what as the product? Nothing but 2-methyl 2-nitropropane. This is the carbon chain. So in this carbon chain, 3 carbon atoms are present, so propane. At the same time, second carbon atom only nitro group is added. So 2-nitropropane is the, what is that? Parent. And at the same time, second carbon atom methyl group also added. So name of this compound is 2-methyl 2-nitropropane. It is an example for nitroalkane. So fourth method of preparation is nothing but oxidation of tertiary alkyl amines. So tertiary butyl amines will undergo oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent KMnO4 potassium permanganate. It will give what? Nitroalkane as the product. Name of this compound is 2-methyl 2-nitropropane. Next method of preparation of nitroalkane, oxidation of oxins. Oxidation of oxins, nothing but acetaldioxin. Acetaldioxin. Formula CH3 bond CH double bond N bond OH. So acetaldioxin undergo oxidation in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, in the presence of this acetaldioxin will undergo oxidation. It will give nitroethane as the product. Nitroethane as the product. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Okay, oxidation of oxins. Next we are going to discuss about totally 5 methods of preparation of aliphatic nitro compounds we have discussed. Next we are going to discuss about preparation of nitroarenes, nothing but aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds. Okay, now benzene, first method, nothing but it is a direct method. Benzene will undergo nitration. Benzene will undergo nitration. So what is the benzene structure? This only. From this position of the benzene ring, hydrogen will come out. Okay, understood? So for the reaction purpose, how we can write HNO3? We can write HNO3, OH minus and NO2 plus. Okay, now this OH minus and from this position of the benzene ring, hydrogen will be removed as a water molecule, and balance this NO2 plus will go and attach to this position of the benzene ring, and it will give nitrobenzene as the product. Nitrobenzene as the product. Understood? Na? Direct method. So benzene, first method of preparation of nitroarenes, direct method. Here we are taking benzene. Benzene will undergo nitration in the presence of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid help to dissociate nitric acid into OH minus and NO2 plus. So from this position of the benzene, hydrogen will come out, and this hydrogen and this OH will be removed as a water molecule, and NO2 plus will go and attach to this position, and it will give what? Nitrobenzene as the product. This reaction is carried out under 330 Kelvin temperature. Next, indirect method. Here we are taking, what is that? Like this compound, nothing but para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline we are taking. This will undergo diazotization. Diazotization means N double bond. N is called as a diazo. That N double bond N group is added means diazotization. With what? In the presence of NaNO2 and HbF4. So like this way you are getting the intermediate product. Para-nitro. This is for this position, this is para. So para-nitro. N2 plus means diazo. Diazo fluoroborate. Para-nitro diazo fluoroborate. We are getting as the intermediate. Again it will react with NaNO2 in the presence of copper. It will give para-dinitrobenzene. Para, opposite para, dinitrobenzene. It will give as the product. Understood? N2 will be removed as a gas, sodium fluoride, and boron trifluoride you will get. Okay. So indirect method, we are taking para-nitroaniline. This will undergo diazotization. We are getting para-nitro diazo. Para-nitro diazo. What is that? Fluoroborate. We are getting as the intermediate. And then again this will react with NaNO2 in the presence of Cu, copper. We are getting as the product what? No? Para-dinitrobenzene. Para-dinitrobenzene. Only two methods of preparation of nitro are in nothing but organic nitro compounds. Now we are going to discuss about next physical properties of nitro compounds. Physical properties of nitro compounds. It is a colorless, pleasant smelling liquid, sparingly soluble in water, that is partially soluble in water, but soluble in organic, readily soluble in organic solvents. Next, it can have a high melt, that is boiling point. It can have a high boiling point, at the same time highly polar in nature also. CH3NO2, highly polar in nature, and alkyl nitrides. We have discussed in classification of last class, classification of organic nitro compounds. Mainly it is classified into aliphatic nitro compounds, aromatic nitro compounds. Aliphatic nitro compounds again classified into nitroalkane and alkyl nitrides. So nitroalkanes boiling point is higher than that of alkyl nitrides. What is the meaning for that one? Alkyl nitrides have low boiling point than that of nitroalkanes. So it is highly boiling, it can have a higher boiling point, at the same time highly polar in nature. Alkyl nitrides and nitroalkanes boiling point we will compare means which one is low? Alkyl nitrides boiling point is lower than that of what? Nitroalkanes. Next, chemical properties of nitro compounds. Chemical properties of nitro compounds. First we are going to discuss about chemical properties of aliphatic nitro compounds. Aliphatic nitro compounds. Under this, there are totally three types of reaction. First one, reduction. First one, reduction. So, nitromethane. Example, nitromethane will undergo reduction. Nitromethane will undergo reduction. Like this way, it will give nitrosomethane. Again, it will undergo reduction. It will give what? Methyl hydroxylamine. It will give as the product. So first it will undergo, that is nitromethane. Aliphatic nitro compounds like nitromethane will undergo reduction by the removal of water molecule. 1O and 2H will be removed as a water molecule, and it will give nitrosomethane. Again this nitrosomethane will undergo reduction. Nitrosomethane will undergo reduction. What will happen? It will give what as the product? Methyl hydroxylamine as the product. And then again this methyl hydroxylamine will undergo reduction. It will give methylamine, nothing but primary amine as the product. So nitro compounds will undergo reduction. It will give what? Amino compounds as the product. What is meant by reduction? Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. So here we are removing oxygen, at the same time hydrogen will be added. So you will get what as the product? Nitro compounds will undergo reduction, it will give amino compounds as the product. Next one, nitromethane will undergo reduction. Okay, there are two categories they are saying. One is in the presence of acid medium and neutral medium. Aliphatic nitro compounds like nitromethane will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous bar hydrochloric acid. Nothing but acid medium. It will give aminomethane or methylamine as the product by the removal of water molecule. Same way, nitromethane will undergo reduction in the presence of what? Zinc and ammonium chloride. It will give what as the product? Methyl hydroxylamine as the product. Methyl hydroxylamine as the product. Okay, so under neutral medium, that nothing but zinc bar and NH4Cl, ammonium chloride is nothing but neutral medium. Stannous bar hydrochloric acid, acid medium. So whatever it may be, nitromethane will undergo what? Reduction in the presence of acid medium, it will be converted into amino compounds. Nothing but primary amine it will give as the product, and it will undergo reduction in the presence of neutral medium, it will give methyl hydroxylamine as the product. Okay, next one, reduction of alkyl nitrites. Now nitro compounds reduction we have discussed. Now what is that? Alkyl nitrites. Alkyl nitrites. So example, ethyl nitrite will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous bar hydrochloric acid. What will happen? It will give what? Ethyl alcohol is the main product by the removal of ammonia and water. One hydrogen will come and attach to this O and it will give what? Ethyl alcohol as the product, and balance 3 hydrogen will come and attach to this N and it will give what as the product? Ammonia will be getting as the product, and balance 2 hydrogen will come and attach to this oxygen and it will be removed as a water molecule. Okay. Next reaction after reduction, hydrolysis. After reduction of nitroalkane, next one, hydrolysis of nitroalkanes. Hydrolysis of nitroalkanes. Now here I have taken example nitroethane. Nitroethane will undergo hydrolysis in the presence of hydrochloric acid. It will give what as the product? Acetic acid as the product by the removal of hydroxylamine, NH2OH and HCl. This is nothing but example for primary nitroalkanes. Primary nitroalkanes. Primary nitroalkanes can have a carbon with carbon. How many hydrogen atom? 2 hydrogen atom. Next one, secondary nitroalkanes. Secondary nitroalkane example is nothing but what? 2-nitropropane. This 2-nitropropane like secondary nitroalkane will undergo hydrolysis. It will give what? Ketone as the product. Ketone as the product by the removal of water and nitrous oxide. Okay, that is nothing but primary nitroalkane will undergo hydrolysis. It will give acetic acid, hydroxylamine and hydrochloric acid. Secondary nitroalkane will undergo what? Hydrolysis. It will give what? Ketone. Nothing but what? CH3 twice C double bond O is nothing but acetone, and removal of water molecule, at the same time nitrous oxide will be removed. Tertiary nitroalkane will undergo hydrolysis. It will not give any product. That is nothing but in the presence of hydrochloric acid, tertiary nitroalkane will undergo what? That is nothing but reaction will not be take place. Primary nitroalkanes, secondary nitroalkanes and tertiary nitroalkanes. Primary nitroalkanes we have discussed, acetic acid will give us the product, and secondary nitroalkanes will undergo hydrolysis in the presence of HCl. It will give what as the product? Acetone, ketone like product it will give as the product, and tertiary nitroalkane will not undergo hydrolysis in the presence of what? Hydrochloric acid. Okay. Next one, alkyl nitrite will undergo hydrolysis. Alkyl nitrite will undergo hydrolysis. What will happen? One hydrogen from water molecule will come and attach to this, and it will be removed as a what? Ethyl alcohol, and balance OH will come and attach, and it will be removed as a HNO2 nitrous acid. HNO2 nitrous acid. So alkyl nitrite like ethyl nitrite will undergo hydrolysis. It will give ethyl alcohol and nitrous acid as the product. Next, third reaction. I said no, that is under chemical properties of nitroalkane. We will discuss about 3 types of reaction. Nothing but first one, reduction of nitroalkane. Second one, hydrolysis of nitroalkane. Now third one, we are going to discuss about halogenation of nitroalkanes. Halogenation of nitroalkane. What is the meaning for halogenation? Addition of halogen like chlorine, bromine, like that way. Okay, here nothing but for halogenation of nitroalkane, example, chlorination of nitroalkane we are going to discuss. So chlorination of nitroalkane, if you take, means example nitromethane I have taken. This will undergo chlorination in the presence of sodium hydroxide. This will, nitromethane will undergo chlorination in the presence of sodium hydroxide. What will happen? Alpha carbon atom can have 3 hydrogen. That 3 hydrogen will be replaced by 3 Cl. 3 Cl, and this 3 hydrogen and balance 3 Cl will be removed as a 3 HCl, and you will get the main product is nothing but CCl3 bond NO2, trichloronitroalkane. Trichloronitroalkane, nothing but methane, trichloronitromethane. The name, another name also, it is called nothing but chloropicrin. What is that? Name of this compound is chloropicrin. Very, very important one. Chloropicrin, this compound is used as a soil sterilizing agent. Soil sterilizing agent. So nitroalkane will undergo chlorination. It will give what as the product? Chloropicrin as the product. Nothing but trichloronitromethane as the product. What is the use of this? It is used as a soil sterilizing agent. Okay. Next one, Neff carbonyl synthesis. Neff carbonyl synthesis is nothing but, it is nothing but nitro compounds will be converted into carbonyl compounds. Nitro compounds will be converted into carbonyl compound. So Neff carbonyl synthesis, nitroethane we have taken the example. This will combine with nothing but sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. What will happen? This from this position hydrogen will be removed. Understood? Okay, and that hydrogen and this OH will will be removed as a water molecule. After that, you will get the intermediate product like this way: CH3CH double bond N plus ONA O minus. Okay, because NO2, how we will write NO2 actually? N double bond O, coordinate bond O. Understood? So Na or potassium will go and attach to O. Understood? Okay. Now between N and another O, double bond will be there. So double bond will be shifted towards O, means O will become minus, and nitrogen will become a electron deficient, because already it can have lone pair of electron. That lone pair of electrons is shifted towards here. So between carbon and the nitrogen, double bond occur. So now this will be undergo hydrolysis. You will get acetaldehyde, carbonyl compounds. What is called carbonyl compounds? Aldehyde and ketone only called as in carbonyl compounds. So you will get carbonyl compounds like acetaldehyde, you will get as the product by the removal of water and sodium nitrite. Neff carbonyl synthesis in new syllabus, they have introduced this reaction, nothing but inorganic nitro compounds. Neff carbonyl synthesis, nothing but preparation of carbonyl compound from nitro compounds. Okay, so nitroethane will undergo react with potassium hydroxide. It will give acetaldehyde as the product. Okay, next one we are going to discuss about chemical properties of nitrobenzene, nothing but aromatic nitro compounds. Still we have discussed this chemical properties of aliphatic nitro compounds. Next we are going to discuss about chemical properties of aromatic nitro compounds. Example, nitrobenzene reaction we are going to discuss. Same way nitrobenzene also, mostly aromatic nitro compounds will undergo what type of reaction? Means reduction type of reaction. So nitrobenzene will undergo reduction. Understood? There are three mediums totally: acid medium, alkaline medium and neutral medium. It will undergo reduction. What it will give us the product? We are going to see one by one. Okay, so C6H5 bond NO2 is nothing but nitrobenzene. It is an example for aromatic nitro compounds. This nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous and hydrochloric acid, nothing but acid medium. It will give what as the product? This nitro compound will be converted into amino compounds. So you will get aniline as the product or aminobenzene as the product. So in the presence of acid medium, it will be converted into primary amine, which will be converted into nitro compounds. Next one. This same nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of zinc and ammonium chloride. It will give phenyl hydroxylamine. Phenyl hydroxylamine. One H will come and attach to nitrogen. Another H will go on attach to what? O. So it will be formed as C6H5NHOH and balance O and 2 hydrogen will be removed as a water molecule. So in the presence of zinc and ammonium chloride, nitrobenzene will undergo reduction. It will give phenyl hydroxylamine. Phenyl hydroxylamine. Next one, nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of iron and steam, that is steam condition. Okay, in the presence of iron and steam, that is water is in the steam condition. So nitrobenzene will undergo reduction. It will give nitrosobenzene as the product. Nitrosobenzene as the product. So these two type of reaction is nothing but under neutral medium. Under neutral medium. Next one, nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and potassium hydroxide. Stannous chloride and potassium hydroxide. It will give the two products, nothing but aminobenzene and nitrosobenzene. It will give as the product. These two compounds will undergo self-condensation reaction. Self-condensation reaction, and it will give azobenzene as the product. Nothing but this is called as an azo and benzene. So name of this compound is azobenzene. Nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and potassium hydroxide. It will give two react, that is two product, nothing but CCH5 bond NH2 plus CCH5 bond NO. This bimolecular, nothing but two compounds will undergo self-condensation reaction. Condensation reaction will take place. It will be formed C6H5 bond N double bond N bond C6H5 azobenzene as the product. Next, same this nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of zinc and zinc and sodium hydroxide. Zinc and sodium hydroxide. It will give first azobenzene as the product. Again, it will undergo reduction. It will give hydrozobenzene as the product. What is the name of the compound? That is, what is the formula for hydrogen? NH2 bond NH2. So from one hydrogen will be removed, instead of that CCH5 is added. At the same time in this nitrogen also one hydrogen is removed, instead of that one CCH5 is added. So it is called as an hydrozobenzene. It is called as an hydrozobenzene. The last two reaction is nothing but nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and potassium hydroxide. Zinc and potassium hydroxide both are nothing but alkaline medium, nothing but basic medium. So it will give what? Azobenzene and hydrozobenzene as the product. Next, electrolytic reduction. That is nothing but by passage of electricity. Electrolytic reduction, passage of electricity. Nitrobenzene will undergo electrolytic reduction. It will give two types of products. One is primary amine, like aniline, it will give as the product by the removal of water molecule. And another one is, it will give first, that is another type of reaction means, it will give the intermediate product phenyl hydroxylamine. Phenyl hydroxylamine. This phenyl hydroxylamine rearrange means it will give what as the product? This OH will come and attach to this position, para position. At the same time, from this para position hydrogen will be removed. That hydrogen will go and attach to this NH and it will become NH2. And it will become NH2. So like this way, the position will be rearranged and it will give the final product is para-aminophenol. Understood? Electrolytic reduction of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene will undergo electrolytic reduction. Understood? It will give, one is nothing but aniline as the product and another one is it will give phenyl hydroxylamine. What is the formula for hydroxylamine? NH2OH. Instead of removing H, phenyl group is added. So name of this compound is phenyl hydroxylamine. After the formation of phenyl hydroxylamine, it will rearrange, nothing but this OH will come and attach to this para position. At the same time, from this position hydrogen will be removed. That hydrogen will go and attach to this NH and it will give what? Like this way, para-aminophenol. Para-aminophenol as the product. Okay, next one, reduction in the presence of a catalyst like nickel or platinum or in the presence of reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride. Nitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of catalyst like nickel or platinum, or in the presence of reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, it will give primary amine like aniline as the product by the removal of water molecule. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, so oxygen will be removed and hydrogen will be added, means you will get what? Amino compounds as the product. Selective reduction of polynitro compounds. Polynitro compound means nothing but, here see, meta-dinitrobenzene will undergo reduction in the presence of, what is that? Diammonium sulfide. Understood? So it will give what as the product, means this meta portion of nitro compound will be converted into NH2. So you will get meta-nitro-aniline as the product. Meta-nitro-aniline as the product. Meta-dinitrobenzene will be undergo reduction. It will give what? Meta-nitro-aniline as the product. Next questions for your assignment. There are two questions. One is explain the methods of preparation and chemical properties of nitroalkane. Next one, second one, explain the methods of preparation and chemical properties of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, that is nothing but still this reaction you write. After this also nitrobenzene reaction is there, that we will see in the next class. Thank you.